Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. I have some products here from Bath & Body Works. It is their Happy Birthday collection. It's a lip gloss. This is the body cream, 24-hour hydration, and also the bath bomb which I use. Here's the video of it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the bath bomb that you just saw. The bath bomb had a very light sweet scent to it. It wasn't very cakey. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It was just like a really sweet smell, and it wasn't overpowering either. Even in the bathtub when it dissolved, the smell was very light. I noticed that it was extremely moisturizing when I got out of the bath. My skin was all soft. And so I'm guessing, don't quote me, but I think there might be like shea butter in it. Another thing, the bath water turned a light pink, as you could see in that video that you just saw. It was a very light pink. It was nothing dramatic or drastic. And it was easy cleanup, so it didn't stain the tub after. That was called the Confetti Cupcake Bath Bomb, and I'm not 100% sure if it's part of their Happy Birthday line, but it certainly does fit the match. Next up, let's talk about the body cream. Wow, the body cream smells so good. I did a short video. Go to my shorts and you'll see I literally pumped up all the lotion and it turned into like this ice cream swirl. And no product was wasted. I used a little bit on my body and the rest I just sucked back in. So there's the color. It is literally like an icing, like a buttercream icing color. And the smell is, it's one of my favorite Bath & Body Works scents, I think. It's like a really indulgent vanilla cake, and the moisture on it, it's the 24-hour moisture. So it's the ultimate hydration body cream. It really is very hydrating. Put this on overnight on your legs, especially me. I get really dry lower legs. And if I put this on at night, in the morning my legs are so soft. Next is the Happy Birthday Flavor Burst Lip Gloss. And this one is in the scent Vanilla. It smells like vanilla cake. It is just so cakey and delicious smelling. And it's clear. So with this, I would say the hydration is average. Keep in mind it's not a lip mask, so it's not going to be like super intense hydration, but it does coat the lips, it hydrates them, and it lasts for a little while. Not super long, but it's definitely a good lip gloss to have on hand. And the smell, like I said, is just so decadent. So altogether, the Happy Birthday line by Bath & Body Works smells really good. If you're a cake person, you're gonna love it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Stay tuned and subscribe for more beauty.